Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I'm definitely still a big believer that this is going to end up going up and making either an expanding flat wave C, which would take it up above these highs, or maybe a running flat wave C, which would actually bring it down to one of these lower fib levels. Either scenario, I still think we got a pretty decent amount of upside potential. Going down to the weekly time frame, to me, yeah, it is going down right now, but to me, it still looks like this could be a wave one, and it still looks like this could be a wave two. We definitely got that 61% fib bounce. I am still a big believer that this could end up going up and making that wave 3, 4, 5 like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame definitely does kind of make you think that it is going to go down because we have definitely made lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. The trend is definitely down, and really you could say that this is three waves up, end of a correction, possibly the continuation of the downtrend. I always try to look at the bearish and the bullish version of the pattern, and that definitely is possible. I still think there is a chance that this is actually an ABC, and I still think there is a chance that this is the bottom down here and that it will keep on going up. But like I said, if we look at the bullish and the bearish version, then we won't be surprised when the market does move against our analysis. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this three waves up right here is really sticking out to me. And this right here really looks like impulsive down, so I'm still thinking that this is maybe a wave A, three waves up for an irregular wave B, and this kind of looks to me like a downtrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of C. So if it does go down, maybe take out these lows, then turn back up and break structure in a big way, I would definitely still take it as a long. At that point, I would say this is a 1, 2, and this is just going to keep on going up for a wave 3. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it still looks to me like this could be an ABC correction, and it definitely still looks like it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At this point, I would say it probably needs to go down and take out the low of wave 4. So if it does go down to one of these fib levels, turn back up in a big way, make a big break of structure, I would definitely at that point stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But personally, I would have to see this picture right here to start looking for longs, because we don't really know that is going to happen. If this really is a wave C on the daily time frame, then it's more likely to just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down, which is why I would have to see that wave 4 break, a nice engulfing move to the upside, nice break and hold above structure before I would start looking for longs again. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I set with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.